Hi folks, and welcome to a weekly What If, a video blog about random creativity. My name is Gerant Crumpy, and I'm an industrial designer and artist from Chicago, Illinois. You might know me from such products as the Golden Goose, an in-shell egg scrambler, and the Butter Boss. It's like lip balm, but for butter. But anyhow, this blog isn't about that. It's just about random creativity and tinkering and conducting experiments. So thanks for stopping by. I don't have an audience yet, so it would be great if you subscribed or liked my video. That'd be cool. But either way, we're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff. We're gonna try to document the cool experiments we're doing on a weekly basis. And today, this first episode, we're gonna ask the question, what if we build our own ukulele from an online purchased ukulele kit, but we customize it using CAD design and 3D printing. Let's see how it comes out. So I went ahead and pre-assembled the ukulele kit that I bought on Amazon. And it actually it shipped in a bag in several different parts, the fretboard and the nut and the neck and all the tuning keys and the bridge. Those were all in separate parts. So what I've done here is the cigar box, that is something that you supply yourself, and the kit does not include the cigar box. But I went ahead and assembled everything and sanded it down by hand. As you can see, I reinforced the cigar box with this metal bracket here and some screws and epoxy resin, just for good measure. Now, there's no assembly hardware that comes with a kit, so you pretty much have to ad-lib and be creative on how you assemble it. Now, I did glue the fretboard onto the neck, and I think that's the best way, actually, to get those two parts together, along with the nut and the bridge are also glued to the cigar box. I've gone ahead and already assembled the tuning pegs, but I'm not going to string it yet until I'm finished with the customization of this ukulele. So, this first weekly what if is, what if we design and 3D print a custom pick guard to go on this ukulele cigar box? Because as you can see, I didn't pay too much attention to cutting the hole out very carefully. It's a bit rough, and the laminate from the cigar box chipped up a bit here and there. But we're going to go ahead and cover over that because we're going to design and 3D print a custom pick guard. We're going to go ahead and just do a little bit of touch up on this and then get to designing and 3D printing a custom pick guard for this DIY ukulele kit.
So normally I would start with a sketch and plan my work before doing the CAD, but in this case it was pretty easy just to pull some dimensions from the ukulele that I've already assembled and just kind of ad-lib and freestyle it in my CAD program. Now what you're seeing here is I use Creo. It's one of the more expensive CAD programs, but it's also one of the most robust. And I'm just realizing while I'm doing the CAD that I actually gonna have to 3D print this in a dense, brittle material in order to preserve the audio quality of the ukulele when it's playing. Because I don't want to apply a pick guard that is going to have the effect of muffling the sound. So I actually think that carbon fiber reinforced filament is probably going to be my best option and hopefully have good resonance rather than muffling the sound of the ukulele.
Okay, she looks like she's done. Yeah, so I've removed most of the support material, and it was clinging pretty tenaciously. I'll have to check my printer settings, but I normally like it to be a little bit easier when I rip the support material off, but it's not too bad. Pretty good, huh? I did lose the vertical section of the H in the person's initials, but I think it still looks like an H, and it's legible. So I'm just gonna leave it rather than try to glue some little bridge in there. I think it looks fine. Just clean up the edge a little bit, and yeah, you can see that's how it's going to look essentially once it's assembled. So I'm going to go do some yoga, and we'll come back and sand that, and then we'll get to assembling. Okay, so I went ahead and spray painted it gold because I thought, you know, the spray paint, if I made it look metallic, it might look a little more traditional and maybe be interesting, a little more interesting. But what I'm going to try to do is age it by just rubbing off a little bit of the spray paint that I sprayed onto the decorative surface. So I'm going to give this a try. It might not go very well, but I have pretty soft sandpaper here on this block, and I'm going to see if I can't get some results. There you have it. I think we've got some pretty good antiquing going on there. So okay, well now we just have to glue it and then string it up and see how she sounds. Well, that just about wraps up the weekly What If. We put together a ukulele kit onto a cigar box, and 3D printed this custom pick guard and pick holder, and as you can see, the results are quite nice, and I guess the rest is history. All right, and there you have it. So I guess I just need to learn how to play now. Oh, I don't know if you noticed, but there's a nifty pick holder built right in. Oop. There we go. Ah. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to play this. Oh, also, I'll post links to where you can buy this exact same ukulele kit down below the video, and also I'll provide links to where you can, if you want to, I'll share this 3D file with you, and you can download the file yourself, and you can 3D print and do exactly what I did here if you want, and you can even customize your own design if you know how. But I will leave the initial area here blank for you, and then you can bring it into your own 3D software and make whatever modifications, add your initials or add a friend's initials, what have you. And that's that. So stay tuned for the next video, and this is your weekly What If, signing off.